Disclaimer before we start this video. Their house ain't made yet, so we're just gonna be pretending like they're in an apartment. So yeah, let's get to the video. Bruh, I'm so cold right now. Junhee, wake up. Why? I'm so cold right now. Yeah, you need to wake up. We need to go to school. Samantha, I don't care. I'm just so cold. We need to go to school. Don't you ever think of that? Samantha, I said I don't want to go to school today. Come on, we got to. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Look, we need to. I don't want to go. Bruh. Samantha, did you forget about what we talked about last night? There's gonna be like a huge snowstorm today. Junhee always being dramatic. I'm not being dramatic. Bruh, why do you have a box in your head? I'm a kitty. Okay, bye. Did you just throw a cat out of the window? It'll spawn back. I don't care now. Oh, I know you're lying about this. She looks. There is a huge snowstorm. Why did you never tell me? I tried to tell you, but you kept not believing me. Oh my god. It is snowing outside. Our tomatoes are gonna be so cold. Then go collect them, Samantha. That's all you got to do. Oh no, let me watch my TV show. Why the heck are you watching something about Roblox? I'm watching something about Roblox that all the brain rot games are gonna be taken down and old Roblox is coming back. Nonsense. It ain't nonsense! I need to go collect those tomatoes. But I don't know what to collect them in because I'm so cold. Put something on. Okay, I'll put this on, I guess. I just need to collect these tomatoes. Do we got any hat? Oh, I'm sorry, dear tomato. I'll always love you. But, bye. Samantha, why are you crying? Because I had to throw my favorite tomato away. I don't know how, but tomatoes cannot grow in December. Do I care? Now, how did they grow? I bought them. They were my babies. Okay, now I need to keep them warm. You're gonna make them explode, Samantha! Stop! But I need to grow more. They're never gonna grow, Samantha. Until the summer. Don't worry, I'll put you guys in here. Gonna wash you off with some hot water. Seriously. Oh my god. She gets on my nerves, bruh. Pretend like this is a remote. Because I could just go grab their remote from their house that's being decorated. So this is their house. Yeah, the remote was upstairs. I'm pretty sure. Here's a quick spoiler of her house. Yeah, there's the remote. It's really a phone, but yeah. Okay. Come on, you can get washed. You can get washed. Why do they have so much frost on them? They're frozen solid. Do you got any, like, heavy things? Yeah, the TV. Now, actually, the bed, thingy is the heaviest thing in our, house. I need to pick it up. I can't even pick it up. Yeah, because it's, concrete or something. The cat came back. The cat came back. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give us some coffee to drink. Coffee to drink. Coffee to drink. We got them in little teacups. Now, June, he gets the smaller one. I get the bigger one. Samantha, that is so rude. You could have just ordered one or taken one of those. No, they have sticky lemon juice in them here. And I don't want to watch this Roblox thingy. I'm gonna go chill outside. Oh my god, it's so cold right now. I don't even want to be out here. But I know I got to. Samantha, nobody said you got it to be out there. I know I got to. By the way, how about you go buy some groceries? Ugh, why? Go look at our refrigerator. Okay. For our apartment. Yeah, we're only staying here for one day or so. Whoa. Okay, I'll be back. She goes down like a stairs or something. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. Why are you bald? I know the trick. Yeah, your hair's back. Cool. I need to drive. That's what I gotta do every day. Gotta go get up some groceries. Some groceries. Bruh. Why did I have to get out in the cold? Why? If she wanted to, she should have just got up and get ready and do something. And now we're already at the Dollar Tree. Hey, little kid, excuse me. No! Okay. Oh, man. She forgot to take the wallet. We're just gonna really quickly just put money in it. Now, what did we need? She hasn't even told us what we needed? We're only staying there for like 1 day. So, yeah, I'm just gonna grab snacks. When I know she actually wanted real food. Yeah, but we got real food at the house. We're gonna grab big snackies. Who loves their self a good snack? But I don't know which one to do. Yeah, let's buy some milk. Yeah. Hello, I remember you. From who? I remember you. From where? Ain't you that one Samantha, person, or did I get your name wrong? Yeah, that is me. Now, how do you know my name? Because you went here and you gave me, card. Wait, you gave me card when I said we only take cash? By the way, do you have any lost and found items? Wait, let me go look. She just... Okay, we stole them. We stole these items. What do I do? We gotta hide them in here. Yeah. Okay, now we gotta go back to the store because I'm gonna make something really funny happen. Huh? Hey, Samantha, what? There's no lost and found items! Where'd she go? She did not even pay! Oh my god, what happened? Have you seen anybody that has like a ponytail in, that has pink strands down her hair? Nope. Been staring at this money machine for like a few years now. Yeah, you're always here. Have you seen somebody that's named Samantha? Nah. Have you seen a brown hair girl with a ponytail in her hair with pink strands? Nah, haven't seen her. Hey there. What is it? I want to play with toys and I get all of these for free. Yeah, but have you seen a girl with, brown hair that has pink strands going down? Yeah, she said me, excuse me, did you see her running where, I just seen her run over there. Oh, where is she? Oh, wait, hey, yes, I have footage. So we're just gonna grab Samantha, so this is the footage, we're just gonna put that there. Oh my god! So these are kind of last parts. When she gets home, it's going to be the last part. I'm going to do a few things. Yeah. Okay. Good. Nobody called the cops on me. Now I gotta go out. Let's see how long the video is. Oh, 6 minutes. No, not at their house yet. This is their house now. And I need your body ever. Hey, June, he what? What? We're singing that one song. Nah. I was singing no songs. I'm not embarrassing. By the way, I brought snacks. I seen somebody on the news that said they robbed the Dollar Tree or whatever, you know, like that had brown hair with pink strands going down it. Nope, never heard of that. Okay, bye guys.